Notice the ease with which I'm drawing and shooting. There you go. And up. I have a bad striker or a bad primer. Well, I was out today filming a video on how to shoot, and then this happened. Right there. Light strike. And I thought to myself, crap, is there something wrong with the ammo? Something wrong with the gun? In the course of the last hour, I've had about 20 of them. So, of course, I stopped, took the gun apart. This happens to be not just the gun I'm filming with, but my daily carry piece. Very frustrating because the video I was working on is complete crap, but rather than waste the opportunity, I'm showing you what's really happening. So first things first, I grabbed another pistol and I tested the ammo. Ammo's perfect. I've got something going on with the gun, so I did the right thing and I pulled the striker assembly apart, and I found that the daily carry blaster that's been on me for years decided to give up today on the range. My striker has got an issue and it is no longer putting the right amount of oomph onto these primers. Ha! You just saw it again. Tap rack. So I'm getting some tap racks practice today with my daily carry piece. So of course this gun now has got to get reworked and fixed up. I have another one that I'm going to swap to in just a few minutes, but I figured it was worth sharing with you. Now, this is a great pistol. This is a GLOCK 48 sexed up by my friend at Boresight Solutions. No dig on Glock, no dig on Ben. I abuse my stuff. Any of you that have trained with me have seen these pistols that come to class. I shoot the crap out of my stuff. I do clean them, I do lube them, I do maintain them. This is not a lubricant issue. It's not a dirty issue. When I just pulled the thing apart, it looked really good because I had just recently cleaned it. Strikers don't last forever. And thinking back, this firearm is north of 25,000 rounds of ammunition. Shame on me. Normally I would have replaced it by now, and I haven't. I forgot to, and I thought as long as I'm out here experiencing this issue that would have happened out in the world, I would have been tap racking, you know, in that bad scenario. I figured I'd share that with you. It's frustrating because I'm out here trying to work and actually get something done, but like I said, I don't want to waste the opportunity, and I figured I'd share it with you in real time. So takeaways, have replacement parts, understand the replacement schedule for the parts in the gun that you carry, train with, etc. If you train long enough, you see these things happen. I'm not mad at the gun. I'm more let down by myself that I get busy with life and I didn't maintain the gun that's on my body. And shame on me because I've got duties to myself and others to keep my stuff cleaned up, buffed up, in tip-top shape. So understand the maintenance schedule. Understand that those parts do need to be replaced. When you buy parts, buy them from a reputable maker. There's a lot of aftermarket stuff out there that is not that awesome. Make sure that you're cleaning and lubricating correctly. Make sure that you are not putting lube where it doesn't belong. For example, a striker fired gun, do not put lubricant inside of the striker channel. It will act like oil and actually slow down the forward motion of the striker. It's going to work like a shock absorber in a car. So a little frustrating, worth sharing with you. We try to always be open and honest about the stuff that we're learning, and you know, it's good for the goose is good for the gander. So I'm going to wrap up here at the range, head back to the shop, swap out to another one of these blasters. I'm going to call Ben from Boresight Solutions and tell him what I just did, and then get some parts ordered up for this blaster to keep her in tip-top shape. Be well. Don't be dickheads. Tell somebody you love them. Hey, I'm sporting the Ignis Lux shirt. All of these shirts are available on CarryTrainer.com and Ignis Lux Coffee. Please check out Ignis Lux Coffee. It is what we are doing next. It's the thing that like we are putting our heart and soul in. Bennett works so hard roasting. This is high quality coffee, super low in acid, delicious, and in some ways nutritious. And for us, it's fun and enjoyable. Ignis Lux is Latin for firelight. It denotes that light that burns in all of us. If you need some good lube, please do check out Gunfighter Gun Oil. And that was Super Valley ammunition in my blaster. It is good ammo. The ammo was not to blame here. It is the tool. Make sure that you maintain your stuff. I'll see you guys at class. CarryTrainer.com, CarryTrainer.com, Florida, Las Vegas, Ohio, and all kinds of other places.
Good morning, darling.
Ignis Lux, the romance of coffee without the heartburn.